So friends, if you are using YONO SBI application and if you want to know how to transfer money from YONO SBI to any other bank account, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open YONO SBI application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is going to be same. Now, once the application is completely started, in payment and transfer, you get an option of UPI, fund transfer, bill and YONO cash. You have to select fund transfer, and over here, you can see the first option is quick transfer. So if you want to transfer money without adding that particular account as a beneficiary or payee account, then you can select quick transfer. You can select that particular account. For example, if I select IndusInd Bank for now, I'm going to enter the account details over here. So I'll do that very quickly. Now, once you enter account details, if you go down, you get a basic information saying that transfer a maximum of 50,000 via quick transfer. So if you are using quick transfer feature, you can only transfer amount up to 50,000. But if you want to transfer more amount than 50,000, then for that you have to add that particular account as a beneficiary or payee account. So this is the only limitation for quick transfer. You just have to enter the amount, you have to enter the purpose, and if you proceed, you can transfer the money using quick transfer. Now, as I said, if you want to transfer a bigger amount which is more than 50,000, for that you have to go to send money option in fund transfer, which is the second option. And over here, if you have added beneficiary, then you can check out the beneficiary like this, or over here you can see this particular account is not active, which is why I am able to see I option over here, and it is saying that payee activation is in progress. So if you add a payee, it will take 60 minutes to activate that payee. Now, if you, as I said, if you want to transfer a bigger amount, for that you need to add beneficiary account. So you can simply tap on add payee option over here, and you can select the account to whom you want to transfer the money. For example, if I want to transfer money to an account which is of IDFC Bank, then I am going to search for IDFC over here. Now you can see I can search for IDFC Bank, and on the next page it will ask me to enter the account details. So it is asking me to enter IFSC details, account number, account name. You can set nickname. You can also set per transaction limit, and this is basically this is the maximum amount that can be transferred to a payee per transaction. So you can move this toggle like this, and you can set a particular limit. So let's enter the details quickly. So now you can see I have entered the account details. If I go down, as I said, you can set per transaction limit. Once everything is done, simply tap on proceed option, and it will show you an option of add payee by OTP authentication, visiting SBI ATM and visiting SBI branch. So whichever option is convenient to you, you can choose that. In my opinion, OTP is the easiest way. You will receive an OTP, and then you can add the payee to your YONO SBI application. So select OTP authentication and tap on proceed. You will receive an OTP on the registered number, enter the OTP and go ahead. So I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on submit option. So now you can see the beneficiary is added successfully, but it is not activated yet. If you go down, you can see you will be able to transfer funds after 60 minutes. So once the cooling period is over, what you can do is you can go to fund transfer, you can go to send money, and over here you can check out the beneficiary account. Now currently this is the account which we have added. If I tap on I option, you can see payee activation is in progress. Fund transfer will be enabled for the payee once it is activated. So once it is activated, you will get an option of pay like this over here. So if you tap on pay, on the next page you can enter the amount. For now I am just for example purpose I am entering 1,000. You can choose the mode of transfer, IMPS or NEFT. You can select the purpose. I am doing this for testing purpose, so I'll enter test over here, and once everything is done, you can select proceed option. Now this is the transaction details. You can confirm each and everything. Select this box and tap on confirm. Again you will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and go ahead. So I have entered the OTP. I have selected submit option. Now the transaction is in progress, and within few seconds the transaction will be complete. You can check out the transaction details over here. You have view details option as well. So yes, this is how simple it is to transfer money from YONO SBI application to other bank account. So you can use quick transfer, or you can use the beneficiary method. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.